Today we're making homemade chicken pot pie. Crispy, flaky, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. Enjoy! Today I'm using my favorite pie crust recipe. It'll be linked in a pinned comment.